So something I had built out and I've kind of destroyed it. I need to get it. It's one of my missions to get it back, and I don't know if I'm being futile or not. But do you need to roll? I mean, it's
No,
for.
no.
Are you
Oh,
good?
I'm good.
Okay. So I had built.
I was just getting Instagram messages. Yeah, go ahead.
So my KPIs. So what I had a spreadsheet,
Sure.
and I would download my contacts, which has got all my tags now. They're custom fields. So I would download that. Then we do all our invoicing at a high level. So I'd download all the transactions, put that in another table, and then I would download what I spent on Facebook. And so all of that. And so when somebody came in from a Facebook form, they were tagged or the field was filled out. And so we knew there, and then based on how we moved them through the pipeline, whether we were actively talking to them, whether they were booked, or whether they were out of the system and now we had an invoice from them. So what I could do was I could sit there and say, okay, from Facebook, we had so many calls, and these calls were answered. So we've got a call answer rate. Then we had where if we talked to them or not. So what we did find was right at about a third